Hello everyone. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today we are going to learn
20 lines on Independence Day.
So, let's start.
We celebrate Independence Day on 15 August of every year. On 15 August 1947, our India got freedom from British rule. This day is celebrated as the national festival. On this day, we remember our freedom fighters.
On this day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi.
It is a national holiday in India.
Everywhere, the national flag is hoisted and the national anthem is sung. In schools and colleges, many cultural activities like dance, music, and sports take place and sweets are distributed.
Prime Minister delivers his speech to the citizens of India. Prime Minister also pays his tribute to our martyrs. In every state, Chief Minister of that state hoists the flag. Many freedom fighters lost their lives to provide independence to India. The Indian Defence Service conduct parade on this day. After independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became first Prime Minister of India. For the first time, who hoisted the flag on the Red Fort on Independence Day. After independence, we got our fundamental rights. This day, we remember the great struggle of our freedom. In schools and colleges also celebrates this day and distribute sweets. We feel happy and proud on this day. We should work hard to build our nation. We should respect to our nation.
I love my country very much and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. If you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.